ohmathgad.
Oh my god, guys, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be learning when given the sides of three triangles, classify the angles of the triangle. So let's try doing that. So the first thing we have to understand is that whenever we're given two sides of a triangle, right, and those sides are not congruent, then the larger angle lies with the opposite of the longer side, right? So if you can see that here, it says if B is higher than A, right, then the measurement of angle B is higher than the angle A, right? So the highest side is going to be opposite of the highest angle, right? So in today's video, we're going to be tackling the following situation. So we have the angles G, H, and F of the triangle GHF, and we have the three sides. So in this case, we know that we have 33 centimeters for GF, 37 centimeters for GH, and 39 centimeters for FH. And they're asking us to order the angles from highest to smallest. But we were not given the angles, we were just given the sides. So what we can do is that first we can order the sides from highest to smallest, right? So we know that FH is the highest one, right? FH is higher than GH, and GH is going to be higher than GF because 39 centimeters is higher than 37 centimeters, and that is going to be higher than 33 centimeters. So what do we know? Because FH is the highest one, because of the theorem we just saw, we know that the opposite angle is going to be the highest one as well. So that means that angle G, or the measurement of angle G, is going to be higher than the measurement of the angle opposing GH. So GH is this one. So the second highest angle is going to be this one. So measurement of angle F. And that is going to be higher than the smallest side, who is opposing the lowest side, right? So the lowest angle is angle H because it opposes the shortest side, which is GF of 33 centimeters. So even though we're not given the angles, we can still order them from smallest to highest or highest to smallest, because we do know that the smallest angle is going to be opposing the shortest side, and the highest angle is also going to be opposing the longer side, right? So that is pretty much it for today, guys. So leave a like and a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!